Visual Paradigm Animated Explainer can generate narration from your text script. When editing your video, press the audio button on the left-hand side toolbar. Select text-to-speech under audio type. Enter your narration script. Then press Select Speaker button to choose your speaker. The speakers are organized according to their language and gender. Press the play button on the speaker can let you preview his or her voice.
Dream big, believe in yourself, and never give up.
Press the Confirm Selection button. Then press the Generate button to generate narration from your script. Press the Play button in the generated narration to preview it.
Clothes donation is a great way to give back.
And press the Add button to add it to your video timeline. You can adjust the start of the narration by drag it along the timeline. Press the Preview button can let you see the entire scene with your narration.
Clothes donation is a great way to give back, support your community, and reduce waste.